Sasha Beatty is a nurse and the CEO and founder of IVY Infusions. Our friend Danita Chantel visited Sasha's office to hear all about the services IVY Infusions provides for optimal health and wellness. Take a look.
Hi, my name is Sasha Beatty. I am a board-certified family nurse practitioner and owner of IVY Infusions and Medi-Spa, located in Greenwich, Connecticut. I've been practicing nursing for over 15 years, working at Stanford Hospital, and then I decided to go back to school and pursue my master's degree, where I became a family nurse practitioner. And during that time, I realized that there needed to be more of an integrative and holistic way to treat patients, and that's what led me to opening up the business. What led me to this route in my career is I wanted an opportunity to provide people with preventative wellness treatments and preventative care. And I incorporated the Medi-Spa portion to help people look and feel their best. I'm all about enhancing your natural beauty. The services I offer are IVY Infusions are the base. We offer customized infusions, and then there are standard infusions. So some of the most popular infusions that we offer are immunity boosting, COVID recovery. Many people are still suffering from like brain fog and fatigue, and those infusions help to hydrate and boost your energy and also boost immunity. Also, there's a glutathione, which is a master antioxidant. We use that for beauty infusions. We treat athletes for recovery and pre-game. We also offer like the famous hangover infusions. So if you partied a little too hard, we're here to help. So that's our IV line. If you are not interested in sitting here for 15 to 45 minutes, we also have like booster shots. B12 is very popular. People also can come in just for like a Myers push. You don't have to have the Myers cocktail infusion. In addition to that, there are plenty of other aesthetic services such as Botox, fillers. We do threads, PRP. We even offer women's vaginal rejuvenation and other intimate treatments, chemical peels, skincare. We focus on the whole being from the inside out. The services that I offer for weight management are pretty simple. You can come in for a weight loss infusion. We do weight loss injections. We have a whole customized package where you can you sit down with one of our providers and we will customize a plan for you. For those that are focused on like fitness, performance endurance, athletic recovery, we offer those type of infusions as well. They help to reduce muscle soreness. They will help you to give that extra push and drive to complete your workout or get across the finish line. And we offer that with oxygen therapy as well. And the oxygenation while you are infusing just helps your body absorb the vitamins that much better. So we also service clients from all over the world, and we offer concierge visits as well too for people that want the comfort of their treatments in their own home. So I give back as much as I can in terms of like mentorship and leadership. I've donated services to the Domestic Violence Shelter, also to the Women's Business Development Council to help other young entrepreneurs and other women that need guidance.